Hey everyone, welcome to episode 1 of How to Build Your Own Anime Website series. In this video, we're going to kick things off by setting up our project. If you have never started a web project before, don't worry, I got you. First things first, we need to create our project. Open Visual Studio Code and type npx create next app@latest in the terminal. This creates a NextJS app. Next, install Shoutout UI. Remove the public folder, it's useless for us. Remove the favicon icon. Create a folder called styles and move the global.css file there. Change this import to styles. Remove everything in the page.tsx file. Add shats, a button component from Shatsian. Next, we're going to install some packages we're going to need. Avalon Dev extensions is basically a clone of the consummate extensions, but I changed some parts so that it'll be easier for us to use. Lucid React is for icons. Next themes is for dark and light themes. AnyWatch is for fetching the video URL. Video stack is for playing the video. Make sure to get the version correct. A top loader adds a bar on top of the site and shows progress whenever the page is loading. While it's installing, head over to GoGo Anime and Hi Anime proxy GitHub URL. I'll add the URL in the description box. We're going to deploy this proxy because we can fetch the videos, M3 U8 files from GoGo Anime or Hi Anime sites by bypassing CORS. Go to Vercel and we're going to deploy it. Follow me. Let it deploy. Next, we're going to run the development server. But before that, we're going to change some things in the layout file. Give a name to your site. Next, we're going to import the theme provider from next themes. Import next top loader. We're gonna wrap the children with theme provider. Attribute class enable system and default theme is dark. So we're setting the default theme to dark. You can set it to light or dark, your wish. Then we're going to wrap children with some class. Flex1 and relative flex flex call. Yeah. Add suppress hydration warning here. We're gonna import the top loader here also. I'll use some settings I am used to. Your wish, you can change them if you want. Zero 0.08. Crawl speed 200. Height 3. Crawl show spinner. Ease speed 200. Shadow 0. 10px. Stack 22299 TD. 005px. Check 2299 TD. That's it for the layout file. Next, we are going to create, we'll run the development server for now. Add a .env file, write proxy URL. Enter the proxy URL for now. We'll get to the proxy URL later on. Then we're going to add a theme toggle. This button will help us shift between the dark theme and light theme. Put use theme. Oh my bad. Theme to next themes. Import button from here. Export default theme toggle. Const set theme. Export default you can write export function. Theme is equal to use theme. Return button variant ghost size icon class name rounded MD. On click, we're going to change the theme to light if the theme is dark, and if it's dark, we got to change to light. We can do this by theme is equal to light, then change it to dark, or change it to light. Sun icon class name height 1.5 rem, width also 1.5 rem, dark hidden. Moon icon class name hidden, height 5, width 5, and dark block. span class name sr only toggle theme. Now we have added the theme toggle. We're going to test it by adding it to a theme to our main page. Let's open the development server, and it works. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to add the home page and the info page.